So today I'll be showing you how to set any song as your alarm on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now this is very simple. The first thing you need to do is to get that song as an audio file saved in the memory of your Samsung phone. So whether you get it from a website you downloaded it from, or maybe you get it from someone sends it to you via WhatsApp or via some messaging app, just make sure that file gets downloaded onto your phone. And once it's downloaded, it's gonna get saved in the My Files app, either in the audio files folder or it's going to be in the downloads folder. Okay. Now, once you do that, then now you want to go back to the home page of the My Files app and then go to internal storage and then make sure this alarms folder is visible. Now, if it's not visible, just make sure you tap on this little drop down arrow and select all. For most people, by default, it's going to only show the essential folders and the alarms folder is not going to be visible. So make sure you tap on this little drop down arrow and select all so that you can see all folders, including the alarms folder. Now, once you've made that available, you can now go back and then now go to your file, your song. So for me, it's gonna be this song. Okay. So what you need to do now is long press on that song and then tap on copy. And then once you tap on copy, it's going to suggest for you places you can paste. So just tap on internal storage and then you should see all your folders, including the alarms folder. And then you want to go ahead and paste that file there. So just to make sure that that file has been copied, just go back to the home page and then go to internal storage, alarms, and just to confirm that particular song has been pasted in the alarms folder. Then now you can exit out of My Files app and then go to the clock. Under clock, select the alarm you want to use with that song. So I'm going to select that alarm, go to alarm sound, and then go to ringtone. And then now you can scroll towards the top of the list to the custom section. So you can see custom section. These are all custom sounds that you've added to your phone that you can use to for your alarm. So you can see my alarm sound is here. So all I have to do now is just select it. And then that's going to be the alarm sound for my alarm. So go back and then go back again. And then remember to tap on save as you exit. So that's going to be saved as your alarm sound, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.